Passive income holds significant importance for individuals and businesses due to its unique benefits. Financial freedom. Passive income provides an opportunity to generate revenue without active involvement, offering financial freedom and flexibility. Diversification of income. It allows individuals and businesses to diversify their income streams, reducing reliance on a single source of revenue. Reduced financial stress. Passive income can contribute to reducing financial stress by providing a steady flow of earnings, potentially leading to a more secure financial future. Early retirement. It can facilitate early retirement by creating a consistent source of income, allowing individuals to retire sooner and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. Improved cash flow. Passive income contributes to improved cash flow, providing stability and financial security. Passive income plays a crucial role in providing financial stability, reducing stress, and creating opportunities for early retirement, making it an important consideration for individuals and businesses alike. Want to know how to make passive income by just uploading images? Click on the link in description.